Hello everyone, how's it going? It's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel and welcome all the new subscribers. I know I've got some from BC and Vancouver Island. Hello. So today I got, probably you know already, but my Topbox, which I think is kind of early. What is it today? 11th, 12th, something like that. I didn't get my last one until like the end of the month, so this is early. This is awesome. So this is what it looks like when it comes. The last month I got like a big box and then kind of a smaller box inside. So let's get into it. If you don't know what Topbox is, I guess I explain that first. It's a Canadian subscription, so it's $12, 13 something with change in BC. And it's sample sizes. You get like between 4 and 5 samples. And it is a sister company to Luxbox, which I think Americans can get Luxbox, and those come with like a little bit more full samples and more things and stuff like that. So, what do I have here? La, la, la. So, this is the Broom nail polish. Again, it's an 05. I kind of wish they would have sent me another one, but see if I can get that to focus. And 05, which is, it's not great, and actually I've been using it and I love it. I peel it all off, but I still like, and I put sparkles on top of that one, but that is it. It's really nice color. It stays on really nicely, so, but I will be passing this on or doing a giveaway, putting it in a giveaway. I am doing a giveaway, so don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that fun stuff because there is a giveaway coming up. So the next thing I have here is Yves Rocher, I Love My Planète, Gel Douche Concentrate, I'm reading the French word, concentrated shower gel, and this is in mango coriander. Love mango. Love it. Oh, like I want to like I want to eat it. It's that's good. So I guess I could show you down here what it looks like. It says it does 40 showers, so that's a really good size. Get that to focus. So yeah, I will be using that. Next I have is a Kayla Wild Maple Body Butter. This Luxuries Body Butter is professionally formulated with wild maple extract to hydrate and revitalize your skin. Enriched with shea butter, vitamin E. It's moisturizing and replenishing to your skin. I'm not going to open it just because I have so many of these and I'm not a big fan of maple smelling things. So again, either this is going to go into a giveaway or I'm going to give it to a friend because I just have so many. But I mean, again, that's, I think, looks like full size. If I can find a price for this, I will. So Kayla body butter, 120 grams. So again, that's pretty cool. And the last thing in here is Lip Comfort. Lip oil. That's cool. Funny, I just ordered from Sephora their lip oil. And I love it. So let's see. That's the packaging right there. That's what it looks like. And lip oil. And then this is what the bottle looks like. So you can't tell, like, it looks pink because of the the thing, but let's just try it on and see. Ooh, wow. That does not look like what it looks like in the bottle. that's how I put my lipstick on. I'm trying to smell my lips. It's got almost a light, like, cherry smell to it, which kind of reminds me of like cherry lip smackers a little bit, like a light version of it. Brings me back to my childhood. I'm getting like flashbacks of memories when I was like 10 and lip smackers were the thing. Maybe some of you don't remember the whole lip smacker thing because I'm old. But that feels really nice and moisturizing, so I am really happy with that. So overall, I mean, for like 12 bucks, you gotta remember it's $12. I did get a repeat, but again, I'll just put that in a giveaway. And the body butter, if I didn't have like a million on the go right now, I would open it. So it's not like, you know, like it's still a really good product and the box is really awesome. I'm overall pretty darn happy with what I got. And this is awesome because I'm just gonna like throw it into my purse because I just, you know, when you're like, yeah, I gotta clean my purse out. I've had lipstick and chapstick in there and it starts to get like gucky and icky and gross, like around like right like the opening. So yeah. So overall, I'm pretty happy with that. I know there's quite a few variations that they usually send out. I haven't actually seen anybody with their top box yet. So let me know what you got. Comment down below what you thought of my box. And again, like and share because I do have a giveaway coming up once we hit 50. I think we're at 26 or something like that. So share the video and yeah, come on in. And I love reading your comments and I try to answer all of yours. So yeah, leave a comment. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. That was my top box. I thought I wouldn't screw anything up this video, but that's just me. Oh well. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Bye.